Question 7. A curve is such that dy over dx equals 4x plus 1 over x plus 1 square for x is greater than 0. The curve passes through the point 1/2 and 5 over 6. Part 1. Find the equation of the curve. Since y prime is equals to 4x plus 1 over x plus 1 square, this is the gradient. In order to find the equation, we need to integrate it, so y equals 4x plus 1 over x plus 1 square dx. So y is equals to 2x squared minus x plus 1 minus 1, the power of minus 1 plus c. C is the intercept. Since it's an equation, so we need to know that there's an intercept. So we input this into y and x. So 5 over 6 equals to 2.5, 2 times half square minus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus c. 5 over 6 equals to 1/2 minus 2 over 3 plus c. So c is equals to 5 over 6 minus half minus 2 plus 2 over 3. So c is equals to 1. So the equation of the curve is 2x squared minus x plus 1 to the power of minus 1 plus 1. Part 2. Find the equation of the normal to the curve at the point where x equals 1. So if x equals 1, then we will insert the x equals 1 into this equation of the curve. So it's 2 times 1 square minus 1 plus 1 power of minus 1 plus 1. So y equals 2 minus half plus 1, which is equals to 5 over 2. So it is 5 over 2. Then we need to find the gradient of the normal. So since the gradient is 4x plus 1 over x plus 1 square for this curve, so we can insert the 1 into the x. So it's 4 times 1 plus 1 over 2 square is equals to 4 plus 1 over 4 equals 17 over 4. m1 times m2 is equals to minus 1. This is the rule. So 17 over 4 times the normal is equals to minus 1. Thus the normal gradient is equals to minus 4 over 17. So since the equation is y equals mx plus c, you already know the y is 5 over 2 and the x is 1. So we need to find the c, which is c equals to 5 over 2 plus 4 over 17, which is equals to 93 over 34. So the equation of the line is y equals minus 4 over 17 plus 93 over 34 minus 4 over 17 x plus 93 over 34. Or you can also multiply by 34, so it becomes 34y equals minus 8x plus 93. In the marking scheme, for question 7, part 1, we get a mark for each correct term that we already integrate. So we have 2 marks. Then another mark for attempting to find this intercept, so it's 1 mark. And another mark for getting the mark of c for c equals to 1. So it's 4 marks. For part 2, we get a mark for using x equals 1 in our part 1. So it's correct. Another mark for gradient of the normal, which is this one. And another mark for attempting to find the normal equation. And the final mark is for allow unsimplified fractions must not contain decimal. So this is allowed or this is allowed, so it's total 4 marks and 4 marks.